How to fix iPhone call no sound problem. If you want to fix during a call that you're not receiving a sound, there could be many reasons. First, you want to make sure your phone is not set to do not disturb mode. I've only turned on do not disturb because I'm recording a video for you all, so I've turned this on, but you want to make sure in your case that this option is disabled. After you do that, the next thing is the silent switch, right? If you're using the older versions, try to check if your iPhone is in silent mode and just change it back to the ring mode, right? So mine was currently on silent mode. Again, as I said, I was currently recording, but you can set it to ring mode. And you also want to play with your volume buttons and make sure you have got quite a decent volume enabled. Even after you do all that, you're not being able to receive sound during a call. What you can do is you can try to check if it is enabled in settings. Go to settings over here and scroll down. First, go to notifications. Then over here you can see announce notification and so on. Make sure that notification is enabled, right? And after you've done that, under notifications, especially look for the phone app. Under phone app, make sure allow notifications is turned on, all the lock screen are turned on, and under sounds you can see, make sure you have set a decent sound that is actually hearable or audible, right? So make sure that you have set a sound like this, and only then you can come back, try to check if you have enabled announce notification and so on. You can also try going to sounds and haptics and make sure you have set the haptics to always play for ringtones and alerts, and that should also help you solve most of the problem. Go to ringtone and also try to set the ringtone for each of those ones. So this way you can fix iPhone call no sound problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.